There's people watching this from the Gravitron, I suppose, over there. It's been an unusual way to view a show.
We can do an American one.
All right, this is, yeah. Don't do the Western one. It does take a long time.
We've had some advice from the front row not to do this song.
It is long,
We talked about it backstage. It's long, we don't have very much time. Yeah, okay, we'll take your advice. Don't get the wrong, you're not in control of the show though.
But it is nice sometimes to have a little nudge.
It was nice to have, some sobering advice from the front row.
It's fun for us to play, but less fun for you guys.
Yeah, okay.
See? Okay. The decision has been made. No more requests.
Okay. This is a song called Seagull.
Seagull lovers out there. Should we wait for the helicopter or what's the tradition?
It could be quite a lot of those.
Should we wait till they find the
You have
felon?
quite a lot of helicopters here.
Okay, it's gone. All right, so let's do the intro again.
It's Jack and Kyle. They're going to arrive. They're going to come through the roof. It's going to be awesome.
Oh, that'd be just like them.
Yeah.
That'd be just like them. Okay. Calm down, everyone. I'm only joking. You seem very calm. Too calm.
Tired of this place, I need to get away. It's time for me to go now, oh, I can't stay, no. I'm like a bird, I need to spread my wings. Fly above the ocean and see what the new day brings, yeah, 'cause I'm a seagull, yeah.
I believe what this singer's trying to say here is that he feels impeded or somehow hindered by some problem and he wants to be free. Someone like a seagull.
Wanna fly above the sky and catch a summer breeze. Soar above the clouds and my soul be free. Yeah, 'cause I'm a seagull, yeah, I'm a seagull.
Here he mentions a summer breeze carrying him away. This is his wish to be untethered from his as yet unmentioned problems. He sees this as being similar to a seagull.
I can't stay here on this little rock. It's time for me to go, yeah, my mind's made up. Yeah, it's the mind of a seagull, yeah. I'm a seagull, so I got the mind of a seagull,
In this third verse he mentions a rock. I believe the rock represents you or his relationship to you. By that he means that you're calm, cold, you're hard, and emotionally impenetrable, unlike him, the freewheeling seagull.
The tide is rising up, and it's my time to go and glide across the sky, see the world below. Yeah, I'm still a seagull.
Here he invokes the image of the tide rolling in. This is his relationship as he relates it into the imagery of being a seagull. He is relating his relationship to you to being drowned.
I've gotta leave this old rock behind. There's something more I see. When I feel the warmth of the morning sun across my beak, 'cause I'm a seagull, yeah. I got a beak, I'm a seagull.
Earlier on we established that you were the rock. The beak is obviously a phallic metaphor. It represents his cock. And he's talking about seeking more sexually abundant locations with his beak.
I'm a seagull I will always be. Dive into the ocean, dip my beak into the sea. trying to lift this keyboard. I'm trying to lift it with my hopeless wings. But damn these other things, yeah. They're the curse of being a seagull, yeah.
I'm not quite sure what he's referring to here.
One day I found this old piano. I found it on this cold little rock. This is that day I've been playing non-stop. Yeah, I'm a piano playing seagull, yeah. Oh, sometimes yes, I feel
I'm sorry, I have to reevaluate. I think what the singer's trying to say is that he's actually a seagull. He's saying that he's literally a seagull, and this is a song sung by a piano-playing seagull.
I'm literally a keyboard playing seabird who also sings. A keyboard playing seabird playing this piano with my wings. Oh, here we go now. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la, I'm a seagull. He's actually a seagull. Yeah, yeah, yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la, he's a seagull. He's